Good day, my dear friends, and welcome back to my vintage kitchen. I am making all-time favorites, teriyaki meatballs. We start from my favorite ingredients in this dish, ginger. Combine all meatball ingredients in a large bowl. Use your hands or a spoon to mix just until combined. Do not overdo it. Preheat your oven line baking sheet with aluminum foil. Roll your mixture into the meatballs. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until juices run clear. Mix all your sauce ingredients. Simmer the sauce ingredients together in a small saucepan for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring frequently or until slightly thickened. Transfer warm meatballs to a mixing bowl, drizzle with warm sauce, toast to combine, and sprinkle with sesame seeds. Enjoy your beautiful teriyaki meatballs.